So man, I came home the other day and I found these awesome boxes at the front door, and I'm so excited because when you open them up, you've got some amazing money bushes, man. You plant these things and money just starts growing off of these things. This is one of my best and favorite advertising to get Christmas lights. I don't care if we're talking regular Christmas lights like this one, like DJ sign, or where we're actually trying to go for permanent Christmas lights, because we believe permanent Christmas lights are awesome. And so I've got 200 of these bad boys, 200 money trees. These are going to be trees of money coming out of this. And so this is something that I'm testing, and we've got a couple different signs. We got 200 of this type of sign because, you know, I'm going after the permanent lights. I don't know what most people call them, permanent Christmas lights. So that's what I'm going to try. I'm also going to try some other things, but permanent Christmas lights with this here, these things work amazing. Now, I only did one side. I just did them one-sided. I didn't do both sides, but money trees, money bushes, man, they work awesome. I love them. They are the best thing that you can use for marketing to get a lot of jobs. And so, yes, this is one of my favorite things. So I am Jason Guyman. I am here to help you grow your business, help you be successful, and help you change your life by installing Christmas lights. And so, yes, I love Christmas lights. Now, some tips and tricks on these signs here is don't put a lot of crap on them. I mean, what we do, Christmas lights, pro installers, and a large phone number. This one, I actually did put the website on it because I'm going to try to see if anybody's going to come to the website. This is a brand new website. And yes, I just started this website. I just built this website and it's already starting to rank. I've already gotten 5 calls in the last 3 weeks for permanent lights. And so this is a thing that will help to get more people going to my website. When people start searching permanent Christmas lights, they're going to find my website. And that is the awesome thing of how you can use your website on a yard sign to get more traction, right? Because if Google sees you going to the website, that is it. Now, most of the time I usually want my phone number bigger, but we're going to try this a little bit to see if this is going to work. And so again, I did shrink my number down. So yard signs work amazing. The one thing I will tell you is right now it is hot and it is dry, and getting these bad boys in the ground are not going to be easy. And there is some tips and tricks to get these suckers in the ground so that they'll stick in the ground. And one of the easiest probably way is get you a drill with a pretty long bit so you don't have to bend over. Like if you're lazy like me, just drill it. I'll show you some pictures. I'll show you some video of me doing it, and then just stick right into the drilled holes, and now you're ready to go. So if you just try to push this in, it's kind of hard. It'll be really hard to get it. So what you can do is take your drill one hole, stick the one leg in it, find out where your other one is, stick it in there, and voila. We don't care about no hard ground. That's a way that you can drill these in and make it easy for you. But yard signs are probably one of the best ROI, return on investment. You can make thousands of dollars. Now, I know there's haters out there that will tell me that, Jason, all you're trying to do is get the low end people. And I will promise you, I've had $30,000. I've had a client that got $30,000 off of one little money bush, $30,000 off of one little money bush. I'll take that return on that investment all day long. $3, $3.50 a sign. I'll take that all day long. Moneybushes.com is awesome. It will help you grow your business. The other questions that get people asked is, where do I put them at? You put these things everywhere. You put them at every stop sign, every stoplight, every church, every school. You put these bad boys everywhere. You know, I got a good friend, Sam, last year in 2024, he put out over 3,000 money bushes. Don't be scared to put them out. Go put them out, make it happen. And that, my friend, is how you get business. I hope you learned something. Go put up some money bushes. Signs are awesome. And yes, signs will make you a lot of money at the end of the day. This is a quick, easy marketing thing. There's no other marketing thing out there. Tell me what you put on your yard signs. And if you know the ROI on it, what is your ROI? If you put out 200 yard signs, how much money will that bring you in? And that's when you know your numbers. Hope you have a great day. See you in my next video.